How to recover Bigo Live account. So if you want to reset or recover Bigo Live account, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Bigo Live. After searching, tap and launch the application. After launching, you can just simply go with login, which is on the bottom right. Go with already have an account and then tap on login. Once you're on the login page, now you can just simply go with sign in with phone, and here it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to enter your mobile number. After that, tap on next, and you will need to enter your password, right? But if you don't remember your password and if you want to reset or recover your password, you can tap on forgot password. After that, enter your mobile number and then tap on continue, and you will need to enter the verification code that you've received on your number. Once you've received the verification code, you need to enter the verification code and then go with new password. Create your new password. After creating your new password, you can go with done, and your password will be changed. That's how you can change, recover, or reset your password on Bigo Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.